In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent meeting link or code on Google Meet. This is a great tool for setting up meetings that recur regularly, such as weekly team check-ins, monthly client updates, or even classroom setups. So let's dive in and create that lasting connection. First, we want to use Google Calendar to create a recurring event that doesn't have an end date. Why is this important, you ask? By creating a recurring event, we ensure that the Google Meet link associated with it remains valid and continuously active for our needs. This method leverages Google Meet's integration with Google Calendar, allowing us to bypass the typical expiration dates that standard links might have. Our journey begins by opening up Google Calendar. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account and navigate to the calendar from the menu. Once you're in Google Calendar, let's go ahead and set up an event. Click on the Create button, often represented with a plus sign on your calendar interface. Here, you'll fill in the details of your meeting. Give your event a name, something descriptive and meaningful for you and the participants. The key detail in this process is making sure that your event repeats. In the event creation window, look for the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu and click on it. You'll see a range of frequency options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Among others, choose according to how often you plan to have your meeting. For example, if it's a weekly meeting, select weekly. Also, adjust the other relevant details such as time and date as per your schedule preferences. Now, the crucial step is to ensure there's no end date for this recurring event. This way, your meeting link remains continuous and won't expire on its own. In the repeat settings, look for the custom option, which will allow you to set the meeting to repeat indefinitely. Opt for this setting to keep the link active for as long as required. Once you've set the recurrence, click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This action generates a unique Google Meet link specifically tied to your event. After doing so, you'll see an option to copy this link. You'll want to do this right away so you can share it with your participants and easily access it in the future. Save your event and you're all set. It's worth noting that standard Google Meet links do tend to expire 90 days after the last usage or the final scheduled meeting date. However, by putting no end date on your recurring event, you're sidestepping this issue. And there you have it. With this simple setup, you've created a permanent meeting link using Google Meet through the Google Calendar. This reliable link will be there whenever you need it, waiting to connect you and your participants seamlessly. Thank you for joining today, and I'll see you next time.